When we talk about aromatherapy, we talk about it in terms of notes and volatility. And we're going to go over each note, but the volatility really means, in a Chinese medicine perspective, it correlates with the level of vulnerability a person has. And this vulnerability means how easily they contract an external disease, or how easily other people's emotions affect them, or how easily they can succumb to a chronic disease. The top note, the smell will evaporate quickly. It creates what we call the impression of the blend, and it's good to treat acute conditions. So acute conditions like a cold or flu, a fever, even like a traumatic sprain or strain, we would consider an acute condition. So some of the essential oils we would use for that would be pennyroyal or any of the mints. Pennyroyal is also in the mint family. Eucalyptus, basil flowers, and citrus peel. The middle note, the smell might last for about 2 to 6 hours. It creates what we call the expression of the blend, and it also can treat an acute condition. The difference being it's an acute condition with an underlying chronic problem. So the difference being, you may easily catch colds and flus, and that's what we would consider an acute condition. But the underlying chronic condition may be that you also have asthma. So we would say it's the weak lung qi and the weak wei qi that is allowing the acute condition to manifest. So some essential oils that we could use for that would be melissa, which is also called lemon balm, or cypress. The base note, that aroma is going to last a couple of days or even a week. We say that the base notes create the depth of the blend. Base notes treat deep traumas and stubborn long-term conditions, and also things that we want to suppress. So that could also be trauma, emotions, anything that we're not really ready to look at in the moment. So the base notes, some examples are resins like myrrh and frankincense, and also vanilla.